If you want to use X, formerly known as Twitter, without creating an account, there is a very simple method you can use right from your computer. In this video, I'll show you how to open public X profiles directly in your browser so you can view posts and pages without signing in. This is a quick and useful workaround if you just want to browse a profile, check updates, or look at public content without logging in. If this video helps, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser on your PC. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the address bar at the top. Now, instead of searching for X in Google, type the direct profile link you want to visit. For example, you can enter x.com/username if you know the account name, or you can type x.com/Elon Musk to go directly to a public profile. Then press enter on your keyboard. X will load the profile page if it is publicly available. This is the key step, because direct links can sometimes let you view profiles without needing to sign in. If the page loads normally, you can scroll through the public posts, read the bio, and see profile details that are visible to logged out users. If you want to check another profile, simply change the username in the link and press enter again. For example, you could try xcom/another username and see whether that public account opens for viewing. This method is especially helpful when you just need quick access without making an account, verifying a profile, or browsing public updates on the web. Keep in mind that not every section of X will be available without logging in, and some content may still be restricted. But for public profile links, this is the fastest way to access X without an account on your PC. So if you are looking for a simple way to use X without signing up, this direct link method is the one to try first. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.